In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Confluence page as a draft. This is an essential skill to have if you're working collaboratively and want to polish your content before making it available to others. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Once you have that ready, go ahead and search for Confluence in the search bar. If you already have it bookmarked, you can simply click on your saved link. Now, if this is your first time visiting Confluence, or if you're not already logged in, you'll need to log in or sign up for a free account. Signing up is a quick process, but if you have an existing account, simply enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. With access to Confluence, the next step is to navigate your way to a page. You can either open an existing page or create a new one if you have fresh content to add. If you're creating a new page, select the option to start a new document and begin inputting your information. Take your time to craft the content as you'd like. Once you're satisfied with your initial work, but feel like there are still tweaks or more information to add before it's ready for public viewing, this is when marking it as a draft becomes useful. Look towards the top right corner of the editor where you'll see the Close Draft button. Clicking this will save your progress without publishing it. This feature allows you to pause, gather more thoughts, or even collaborate with team members for feedback before any official publication. The beauty of saving your work as an unpublished draft is the peace of mind knowing it's secure yet not public. To find your drafts later, go to your profile. There you'll see an option labeled Drafts. This section conveniently stores all your works in progress. Alternatively, you can also check the Recently Worked On section, which might include the draft you just closed. It's a simple and effective way to keep track of all your ongoing projects. And that's all there is to it. Having your work safely stored as a draft is a great way to manage large projects or simply refine your thoughts before sharing them with a larger audience. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to make the most out of your Confluence experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this skill often to get the hang of it. Happy drafting!